There are different types of powertrains used in automobiles. The first one is an internal combustion engine, and the second one is an electric vehicle. An IC engine type consists of an engine which generates power, a propeller shaft which transmits the power from the engine to the wheels. At the end, a differential is used to distribute the power at right angles. Additionally, an exhaust and emission control system, such as a catalytic converter, is mounted at the exit of the exhaust manifold. In order to keep the engine cool, a radiator is mounted in the front. In an engine, the combustion of fuel takes place within the cylinder, and piston cylinder moves down. This rotates the crankshaft and provides power. The timing belt and pulley arrangement helps in the sequencing of the crankshaft with respect to the camshaft. The exhaust gases leaves the engine from the exhaust manifold. Since all the mechanical components are always in contact with each other, a lubrication mechanism is also available in the system. An oil tank is present at the bottom of the engine with an oil pump, which circulates the oil through different parts and also keeps the engine cool. The power generation through the engine is done through burning of fuel. It can be petrol, diesel, or CNG. The future of internal combustion engine is using ethanol blended gasoline. Ethanol has higher octane number than gasoline and helps to improve the octane number of gasoline. In the current scenario, 10% ethanol blended gasoline is used. In order to make this as a better alternative, some significant changes needs to be made in the engine and its part. Now moving further, we will learn more about octane number. An octane number or rating is a standard measure of a fuel's ability to withstand compression in an internal combustion engine without detonating. The octane rating of a fuel is measured in a test engine by using a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane, which will give us the same end and arc properties of that of a test fuel. For example, a mixture of 80% isooctane and 20% N-heptane means that the octane number is 80 for the fuel. Now, why is this octane number so important? When ethanol is used along with the gasoline, the octane number increases. However, the energy content per unit volume decreases subsequently. This can be studied with an example. Since the calorific value of ethanol is 29,000 kilojoules per kg and that of a gasoline is 49,000 kilojoules per kg. Hence, if a fuel has 10% of ethanol and 90% of gasoline, the net calorific value will be 47,000 kilojoules per kg. Because of this difference, in order to produce the same power, more amount of fuel needs to be burnt. This in turn demands for the changes in the engine system and its parts. However, using ethanol has its advantages. It can be produced from biomass, which makes it cheaper than gasoline. Let's learn something about electric vehicles. An electric vehicle consists of a battery pack which serves as a source of power. A DC-DC converter, electric motor with regeneration, a battery management system, also known as BMS, and a motor controller. A battery pack consists a combination of cells arranged in series and parallel. A DC-DC converter is used to power auxiliary systems in an electric vehicle, such as lights, infotainment systems, electronic circuits, etc. A battery management system is equipped in the vehicle to withdraw equal power across the stack of cells. This is done to avoid overheating of the battery and distribute the load among every cell. A motor controller is also provided which works as a mediator between the battery stack and electric motors. It is used to control the speed and direction of rotation of the motors. There is also another eco-friendly way of providing power to the vehicles. Let's learn more about hydrogen-powered electric vehicles. Hydrogen fuel cells produce electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The hydrogen reacts with oxygen across an electrochemical cell similar to that of a battery to produce electricity, water, and small amounts of heat. The system has a hydrogen fuel stack same as that of cells in an electric vehicle, a fuel tank to store hydrogen. Remaining components are same as that of an electric vehicle. So, to summarize this video, we have got a brief overview about powertrains in internal combustion engines, electric vehicles, and hydrogen fuel cells. Please let me know in the comment section on which topic would you like to know more. Thanks.